Hi there, my name is Emma and I'm a solutions rep here at Cyan Analytics. I'll be walking you through how to use our RACI matrix application. Let's get started. First, hit the Start button and select the RACI matrix application. RACI matrices are standard across organizations regardless of industry. They take so much time and effort to create that they usually aren't even done. This does it for you. It saves you time in creating your project plan to keep you on track. Now let's take a look at how to use the application. Select the application, then hit Next. Select your project, then your document. Hit Analyze. Now let's take a look at the results. On the left, you've got your headings. In the middle is your parsed document, and your RACI assignments are on the right. Now you can quickly distribute this to your team and design your project plan from there. Want to save time on your project plan? Schedule your demo today.